Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to insert a bullet symbol in Excel. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to insert the bullet symbol. Go to the insert menu. Select the text box option and draw a text box. Then go back again the insert menu. Select the symbol option. Now I am select the font Cambria Math and choose the subset, and we can see here many symbol. Now I am select the bullet and click insert, then close this, then select the symbol and go to the home menu and increase the size of font. Now we can see we insert a bullet symbol in Excel easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.